Hey guys. Hey
Look at
guys.
my guns, gee. I get strong.
Yeah, strong woman. What you doing with your right hand? That's what you do?
What is that?
Yeah, get strong. As
Good morning, afternoon.
Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day of quarantine, and we are here up. I slept in a bit this morning while babe hold things down for me, and now I'm up and he's gone to rest, get some extra rest. So I'm up and having some hot chocolate. Babe, make me some hot chocolate.
Mama, morning face.
Sarah say morning.
Morning face.
You say morning for Sarah?
Morning face.
And Sarah here want my hot chocolate, of course. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Yes, you want my hot chocolate, but you can't get it. She's a little warrior, you see. Lord help me. She want my hot chocolate and she big mad because she can't get it. Anyway, you guys, I have a few things on my agenda for today that I need to get done. So hopefully when Sarah goes down for a nap, I can get the ball rolling on things. Hopefully you guys are having a productive day and still staying in and doing well, and none of you have the corona. Yeah, so that's what's going on around here at the moment. So stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I'm going to get going with my day. I'm going to start doing some work on my computer right now. And we are at 14,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. We couldn't have done this without you. I am so excited for the growth of our channel. Welcome to all the new subbies. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and let's get this day going on a positive note.
Hi guys. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday every day here, and it looks like my razor is in quarantine.
Your razor is in quarantine.
It's a quarantine. Yeah, happy Sunday everybody. We change time if it's very different. As a parent, you don't really change time, it's just outside feels different. So yes, this morning is just that everything delay for 1 hour. We're good. Tyler is up, baby's up. We were so tired this morning. We went to bed kinda late yesterday. Long time we didn't went to bed late, and this morning we had to play team. I wake up, take care of Sarah for like 2 hours, then babe wake up, take care of Sarah for like 2 hours, and then we're now both up and ready to kill the day. It's Sunday. We're just gonna we have to stay home. So we're just gonna find something funny to do today. It looks pretty cool outside, so let's see if we can just go in the little balcony, in the little garden outside. So yeah, let's see what's gonna be today. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you all find something fun to do during this time, and yeah, catch you guys very soon.
for the... What are you doing?
Where's Sarah?
She's coming.
She's coming where?
Here to me.
Okay. What you want? Tell me come.
You
Go.
see her?
No, but that's okay.
Lie.
That's
Baby,
okay.
why are you lying?
Go forward.
Go for the razor to give Tyler a haircut. Then I'll go with Sarah. Sorry, you're looking at the face.
Watering the flowers. Making some lunch for Sarah for a few days, and this lunch mixture is gonna consist of sweet potatoes, broccoli, and beef. And that should be around for a few days.
But stuff is a little bit little. I have another one.
Weird, but something's locked. Shouldn't it be able to turn?
Yeah.
But it can't.
But if you untake it, this one it can turn. Mama, this one can turn. You can take it.
Yours, this one?
Yes, it can turn.
Yes, this one can turn.
Oh.
Sarah! Jesus. Yeah.
Papa, hold the ball.
Yeah.
You have to catch it with this side. Okay?
Honey,
This time.
baby, look
This
at
side,
Sarah.
but you just do the like
Baby,
this.
look at Sarah.
So you throw the ball with the hand with Papa. Alright, go back.
Look at me.
Alright, throw the ball with the end. With the end. Come.
No.
Papa, you go this way. You go this way. Right. Throw it like this to Papa. Ooh. So you do the same thing, Papa. Throw it, you catch it with that size, okay? Try Papa first.
I can't.
Oh, dear man. Come, Ty, come.
But I want to practice you. Mama, but I want you to
Come on, go.
Allez, l'équipe de la France. Go, maman. Go, maman. Allez, maman. Allez, maman. Allez. Allez, maman. Allez, maman. Allez. Allez, maman. Allez, maman. Allez. Allez, papa, fini. Vas-y, papa. Attrape dans tous les coups, papa. Attrape dans
Ready.
Now I want to play.
Go.
I want to play with myself.
Throw.
Careful.
Catch it. Focus. Exactly. Let me help you.
I can't do it.
No, you can't. You have to listen. Throw. Ta-da! Take it
Now
out.
I do it all by myself.
Okay.
Almost.
Almost never come.
It almost got in the air.
We're having so much fun outside. It's good to have a little space outside to play. And I've been working all afternoon, so I finally gave that a break and made it to the kitchen where I am about to make dinner for the fam. I'm in the lab, y'all, and I have some rice from yesterday left over, some white rice from yesterday. So that is gonna go with some curry chicken. And I have some macaroni and cheese for Tyler, so he can have that with the chicken. And I also have some steamed veg. So all I need to cook right now is some curry chicken and we'll be good to go for today. You see what I mean? So I'm gonna whip this up real quick and we'll be well on our way. Short. I'm cutting the thighs in two so I can get the bone separate from the meat, because the bone part is mine, of course, and the meat part is Babe and Tyler's. So I have to do it like that around here. So one, they don't waste my bone, and two, they don't like bone. If they waste my bone, your girl gonna be big mad. So when I do it that way, we're all satisfied. Unlike if it's the leg, then they're cool with it. But because it's just one bone in the middle, but otherwise they can't do bone. Inadidochi. And I'm just gonna add assorted sweet pepper, onion, carrots, Irish potato, scallion, garlic, and that should, and curry of course, and that should give you a bomb curry chicken. My favorite curry to use is Better Pack, so I'm gonna get my Better Pack and my oil and my salt and my Jamaican seasoning. You guys, my Jamaican jerk seasoning almost finished. Here goes my curry chicken. I put everything in there. The fact that it's chicken and it's going to cook fast, I have everything in here, all my ingredients that I named to you earlier. And y'all, my secret weapon almost finished, my Jamaican seasoning. What am I gonna do? Do I gotta get water from the moon? Don't mind me. Let go. Inadidochi, curry chicken, Sarah looking at me and dancing. Yeah, Mama cooking curry chicken. You want curry chicken? You want curry chicken? You want curry chicken? Huh? You want curry chicken? You want curry chicken? Yes, I know you want curry chicken. Yes, yes, curry chicken. Both are on, yeah? Do the thing in the dutchie, goodie. Do the thing in the dutchie. Alright, I'm gonna mix this up. And then I'm gonna close it, girl. I ain't throwing nothing on it, no water yet. Because this bad boy gonna do its thing. And then come back, come circulate, you see? Alright, you guys, there goes the finished product. And it's just in time for dinner. So let's go eat. Hey, guys. My guns, gee, I get strong.
Yeah, strong woman. What you doing with your right hand? That's what you do?
What is that?
I get strong. I get strong.
Anyway, you guys.
Let me see the left hand. A week up. Okay. We learn every day. Every day. Every day.
I'm going to edit that.
You feel shame?
No, I'm going to leave it in there. I'm going to show you. I'm going to leave it in there. Mommy, don't watch it. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end the vlog because, of course, the kids are in bed and I am ready for bed. I'm ready to get my beauty rest to start my day tomorrow with an energetic workout. Hopefully my foot will allow me to do that, and I'm embarking on a new journey which I'm not ready to share with you guys just yet, but you guys will hear about it further down the line. Anyway, guys, how was your day?
That was good. That was good. I didn't do anything I wanted to do. I really, you know the feeling you wake up the morning, you want to do so many things and you say, today not gonna catch me, I'm gonna do that and that and that and that, and you end up doing nothing.
I, on the other hand,
Nothing.
I've accomplished so much that I wanted to do today.
At least we complete each other. She do the things and I get the rest.
I've accomplished almost everything that I wanted to do today, so that's amazing. My favorite part of today was outside playing with Sarah and Tyler and you in the sun. Anyway, you guys, hopefully there's
Sunny days are coming.
yes, it's feeling nice outside. What's the French expression for today? While I think about it, the Jamaican expression for today is "Kiba your mouth." What do you think "Kiba your mouth" mean?
Watch your mouth. Like,
If I said to Tyler, boy, Kiba your mouth.
shut up.
Exactly. Shut up and chat too much. Boy, my boy can chat, boy.
Oh, too much. Too much.
Listen.
Did I tell you tourner sa langue 7 fois dans sa bouche?
Yes. Stop doing your face like that. You look like you don't have no teeth.
like Sarah.
What's the French expression?
I'm just gonna say a word.
Okay.
Heure d'été. In French, we have heure d'été and heure d'hiver. It's like we have summertime and wintertime.
Okay.
So yesterday we were in wintertime, and today we are in summertime. It's just when we change the time, we put it from wintertime to summertime, so it
Okay, I
switch.
see what you mean.
So now we are in heure d'été.
Okay.
So it's like the day are 1 hour
Less. More.
brighter in the evening.
Okay.
Heure d'été.
Heure d'été.
Heure.
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 Heure d'été. Good job.
Heure
Good job.
d'été.
You get it. You almost get it. You get it.
Baby, I'm getting used to this, but sorry, you're not gonna keep it.
No, I don't like it when it's scratching.
I love when babe clean shit.
When I scratch it, but he's quarantined. My razor is in quarantine.
Everything's getting hairy around here.
Oh,
That's all right.
you
Just
know what I
big
mean?
face.
Yeah, it's just the beginning. Maybe when you get a lot.
No,
That's my
it's sticky.
that's
It
my
jumped
only
me.
chance of the year to have a long beard.
I guarantee you, the next video it will be gone. The next vlog it will be gone. It kind of looks sexy though. It's getting red. I might just let you keep it. But it stick me. Maybe the longer it get, it won't stick. But right now, it's pointy and sticky when he put his face on mine. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end today's vlog here. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Make sure you subscribe, please, and continue to help us grow. We love you guys, and thank you guys again for 14,000 subscribers. See you guys tomorrow.